If you're not sure which kit you need for our Trash Panda Trail Pack, let me try to make it clear for you here. If you are looking for just the bag, then it means exactly that. It is the Trash Panda Trail Pack like you see here, but it is just the bag. There are no straps, there are no hardware, it is just the bag. If you want to mount it some way unique or come up with your own way of mounting it, your own application, then you would want just the bag. The next option would be the hanger kit, and that will include the Trash Panda Trail Pack, the bag, as well as 2 hanging straps. Those are the hooks with the web, as well as the Tri-Glide hardware, the tension strap, which weaves through the lower part of the bag, and the web loops with the rings, which are what the tension strap will feed through. If you want to mount it the way that you see here, that is the tire mount kit. That includes the Trash Panda, the bag, the hanger kit, everything you see here, as well as our 2-inch ratchet strap and 2 large mounting blocks. What that will allow you to do is to take the 2-inch ratchet strap, and that will route all the way around your spare tire. It has your 2 large mounting blocks on the top side, which will allow you to take your hang straps with the hooks and the Tri-Glide hardware to hang the bag, and then the tension strap, which will also feed through the web loops and the rings down on the lower sides to hold the bag tight against your tire. So again, you've got options here: just the bag, the hanger kit, which is the bag with the hanger kit, and then you have the tire mount kit, which is the bag and all the hardware and web that you see here. If you have any questions, let us know.